How to fix Snapchat camera problem on your Snapchat. Today guys, I'm gonna show you the correct way how to solve and fix this problem. Just watch this video until the end. So let's start. First guys, you will just go and open the settings of your phone. Then you will go to apps or application, and here you will search for Snapchat. And when you found Snapchat guys, just open it and go to storage, click on it and go to the last here, clear data. Then click OK, and then you will back and click force stop, and you will back to Play Store and you will update Snapchat again. And that's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.